Welcome to an instructional video and quick look at unboxing the Wave 6 Health Resonator. First thing you'll notice is it comes with this electrical pad. This can be used to feature the benefits of resonance technology and connect to your Wave 6 Health Practitioner. Moving on, let's open the packaging. It all comes in this cardboard box, and within here is foam inserts to keep the device protected during transit. Inside the cardboard packaging, and if we move this out of the way, you'll notice a plastic container with the Wave Health logo. This houses your Wave 6 Health Practitioner. Now, it's plastic wrapped as well as uses a plastic container to avoid any potential water seepage or damage should any get into your luggage during transport with your Wave 6 Health Practitioner. You'll notice on the top of the actual device packaging is a small number. This is the number of your device and can be used for warranty purposes should you run into any issues. Once we've opened the packaging, you'll notice you are greeted on top with the instructional manuals, cards, and some information about your Wave 6 Health Practitioner and that of resonance technology. It gives you a brief introduction into some of the benefits, uses, history, and what resonance technology is all about, and some of its major health benefits. There's also a long list of available treatments, which of course corresponds with the list built into your Wave 6 Health Practitioner. Once we start using the device and power it on now, you'll see the long list of treatments available, but what you see here from this instructional manual is also a quick and easy description of how to use your device, the simple on-screen commands, and navigating as well as scrolling through your device and making use of all its functionality. Taking a look at the front of the device, you'll notice A and B. There's two inlet sockets. That means that you can use a set of handheld electrodes in the one as well as your health pad in the other, or two sets of handheld electrodes, or vice versa. You have a lot of freedom, choice, and ability thanks to the option of having two inlets. Then when you power on the device, you'll notice the Wave 6 logo and a long list appears on screen. These are your on-screen treatments. There are many built in, anything from common colds, flu-like symptoms, to an array of body aches, pains, whether it be dental functions, or a list of very serious diseases and cancers. You'll also notice in the packaging a white sync charge cable, which is micro USB, as well as a wall charge brick. These are important to be used to charge the device as it's set for the correct power output to avoid any damage. You'll also notice the blue cables there, which are your handheld electrodes within the packaging. Jumping through the device, you'll see it's very easy to use thanks to the clear on-screen display and simple scrolling functionality using the bar in the right hand of the display. You can jump through an array of different treatments, and selecting your desired program is easy by simply clicking on the treatment and selecting it. Once you've found the correct treatment and selected the built-in treatment on screen, you'll get a pop-up which asks you, do you want to use the health pad or the electrodes or both at the same time. Select your desired preference and hit the little continue icon on screen. This will immediately show the program, the length of time it will run for, and you'll see in the top right hand corner of the display a play icon which starts the run of the program. It also tells you the frequency in hertz that the program is running on. Once you've connected your health pad or electrodes, you can simply run through the program, let it run its course, and of course it can be paused, or you can jump through different sections of it at any time. Apart from the long list of built-in treatments, you can of course add your own custom treatment. Simply go add program, enter the desired program name, select whether you want bipolar, dwell, or modulate. Then once you've selected that, enter the hertz frequency and minutes for each element of your program and press the enter button. For more, visit www.waveresonator.com.